I cut a lot of wood in the workshop for the raised garden beds I build, and I want to show you how I set up my saw to make it easy. This is my cutting station. I use a compound miter saw, and this one has really treated me well over the years. I've been using it for almost 8 years, something like that. This is a rigid, and it has all the features that I need it to have, and I really like being able to hook it directly up to my shop vac here. You can see the hose going back, and that just makes it a lot cleaner in the shop so you're not blowing dust everywhere. Aurora and I built this table setup that just makes it really easy to have a good flat surface that's in line with the saw. You can also use tools like this. These roller stands are another way to hold your boards on either side of your workstation. But this works really well for us having a table set up like this. You can see just how easy it is to cut these pieces of wood with that really continual flat surface between the table and then that step down to the actual saw. This has really made things a lot easier and more accurate. We build raised garden beds like this for customers who really appreciate the craftsmanship. I've been doing this for about 12 years, and I'm really happy to share with you some of the tips and tricks that we use to make these really beautiful garden beds. So subscribe to the channel for more about building beautiful raised garden beds for your backyard.